You've heard of Rich Dad, Poor Dad and Think and Grow Rich? But today, we're diving into 7 lesser known yet powerful books that could completely transform your financial life. Whether you're broke, building, or investing, these hidden gems will rewire your mindset and money habits. Let's go. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Most people think finance is about math, but it's mostly about behavior. This book teaches you why we make dumb money decisions and how to avoid them. Big lesson: doing well with money isn't about what you know, it's about how you behave. Die with Zero by Bill Perkins. This one flips traditional saving on its head. It teaches you to spend wisely, not just save endlessly. Why? Because money has the most value when your health, time, and dreams align. It's about maximizing life ROI, not just net worth. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This isn't a scam, it's a system. Ramit gives you a 6-week no-nonsense plan for banking, budgeting, saving, and investing. Real talk, no guilt, just action. If you're in your 20s or 30s and hate spreadsheets, start here. The Almanac of Naval Ravikant by Eric Jorgensen. Not a finance book, but a wealth book. Naval's principles on building wealth, leverage, and freedom are life-changing. It's less about money, more about mental frameworks. Read this when you're ready to shift from hustle to high-value thinking. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. Want to break free from the hamster wheel? This book helps you track every dollar and match spending to life energy. It's deep, challenging, and eye-opening. It'll make you rethink how you work, save, and spend forever. The Barefoot Investor by Scott Pape. An Australian bestseller with global impact. It's practical, funny, and brutally simple. Perfect if you want a step-by-step guide for eliminating debt, building savings, and living well. Quit Like a Millionaire by Christy Shen. Written by a former immigrant who retired in her 30s. It's fire, financial independence, retire early, without Silicon Valley income. This book proves you don't need luck, just strategy. It's a wake-up call for anyone thinking they're too late or too poor to build wealth. These books challenge the status quo. They teach you to think bigger, live smarter, and make money decisions based on freedom, not fear. Pick just one of these books, read it deeply, and apply even one core idea. It could change everything.
Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more mindset and life mastery.